If f of x is equal to x square and g of x is equal to 2x, find the number of values of x such that this happens. Well, if we take g of f of x, so f of x is x square, so it will become 2x square. Now, if we take g of 2x square, so another 2 is going to get multiplied, another 2 is going to get multiplied, and another 2 is going to get multiplied. So with every g, we have another 2 and an x square. And if you want to calculate f of gx, so because of gx, this is 2x, so f of 2x will become 4x square, and 4x square, f will become square of this further. So this one will become 16x to the power 4. So it's given that 16x to the power 4 is same as 16x square. That means x to the power 4 is equal to x square. So we will get the value of x as 0, and then we will get x square is equal to 1, or we will get the value of x as plus minus 1. So 3 values we get for x, 0, 1 and minus 1, for which this is going to be true. D option.